Installing a software in Linux Mint or Mint Linux is very easy. All you have to do is just go to the bottom left corner and you will see this software manager icon. So click on it and it will show you this window. All you have to do is just search for the software. It can be Zoom, VLC, Sublime, FileZilla, or many others. So the process remains same for Debian and Ubuntu as well, and just search for the software's name, and if it is not there then just download the deb files of those softwares. But mostly uh, there are about over 10,000 softwares to search from. So just type in the name of the software. So in this case we want to download the Zoom application first. So as we can see that in the list, and all you have to do is just click on the install button. As soon as you will do that, Zoom software will start getting installed. So what happens in background is that the Linux Mint or Mint Linux will start downloading the software as well as all the dependencies for installing that software, and then it finally installs the application, which can take few seconds to minutes depending on how big the application is. And then you will see the option to launch the application. So this is how you install any software in Linux Mint. And if you wish to open the application, just click on the launch button and it will open the application for you. So this is how you install any software and open the installed software. Now we will be installing Chrome. So while Chrome can be downloaded in the separate way, there is the other variant of Chrome, which is Chromium, which is the free open source software. So you can install Chromium instead of Chrome. So we have just started installing it. So right now Linux Mint is downloading all the dependencies, and it is asking for the password. So it will pull all the files required for installing Chromium, which can take few minutes to seconds depending on how big is the software. It is about 84.8 MB software, and it will take about 253 MB of disk after installing. So because files gets expanded, because earlier those are zipped or archived, so which takes lesser space, but once it installs it expands, so that is why it takes more space after installation. Now we will install another popular software called VLC player. So if you are using a computer, then you would at some point of time need to stream any video or open any video file, and for that VLC player is great. So just search for VLC player and click on install, and it will start downloading all the files necessary for the installation, which would take few seconds to minutes. And once the installation is done, you will be able to open the VLC player for being able to open various kinds of video files. So this was a brief overview of how to install softwares in Linux Mint, which would be similar to installing softwares in Debian and Ubuntu, since Linux Mint is also based on Debian. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.